Hello everyone, this is Rick from Horsani. Today I'm here to introduce the innovation products LEgenD. I'm sure it will be a revolutionary event in LED display industry field. Yes, it's time to change from now on. With the same colorful world, we creative invent the soft screen since 2006. It is quite changed the inherent impression that people always think that the LED display always heavy and fixed. Now we redefine the LED display again. Now let me state to you one by one. Firstly, it realized high density broadcast while bending and stitching at the same time. The seamless technology which makes the bending and 50-degree can complete the same as flat one. The form and durable design ensures the screen will not overstretch while folding or bulge in unfolding. Secondly, label saving. One of the inspiration we designed LEgenD is we found the installation is a big problem for our customer. It requires two persons to move the screen. So label costing is a problem we can't ignore, especially in the developed countries. We reduced 50% of the metal parts instead of high-strength nano multi-part plastic parts, which make the 40% total weight reduced. So the result is the weight is just 19 kg per square meter. So you can take it anywhere easily. Third, modular design, environment protection. With the situation of the same square area, the LEgenD is much bigger than the traditional one. The maximum size could be 3.6 times bigger than the traditional one. 30% efficiency can be improved. It is really environment protection no matter on production or installation process. The model stitching lock, which makes the joint just two simple steps, hook and lock. Unique installation can be hooked in vertical or horizontal ways, suitable for different scenes and applications. Now let me show it to you. Now I show you how to install it. This is handbar, this is clip. Here's a hole here. Just match like this. Then lock it. So easy. Now I show you another one. So simple. Now I show you how to hang it. Lock it. That's all. Now I show you the horizontal ways of installation. The same process, like this. So easy. Another one. Okay. That's all. There's one special point I should mention to you that our cable are designed together with the screen. The unique design, power cable and data cable just link another like this. That's okay. Finally, safe space and free charge is another advantage compared with other products. We can completely, according to the customer's requirement, to customize the size of each screen. The folded LEgenD can load 7.2 square meter in one box, but the panel that is fixed, only we can load 2 square meter. We can really save a lot on the free charge. Finally, safe space and free charge is another advantage compared with other products. We can completely, according to the customer's requirement, to customize the size of each screen. The folded LEgenD can load 7.2 in one box, but the panel that is fixed size can only load 2 square meters in one box. It really can save a lot on the free charge. Because of the above features, the after-sales becomes so simple. 2 words can be concluded: customized and flexible. LEgenD is a flexible product. It shows a colorful world from another dimension. We design fully consider the truly situation, which make it more effective to afford the requirement of our customer, fully fulfill the spirit. Colorful the world. Thank you.